video, I'm going to show you a simple arrangement of O Waly Waly. In my previous video, I've showed you how to play the melody line, so today we're going to add the bass line. As you can see, it's not very difficult. I only need to add 2 ones on the left hand, yeah? 1. Okay. And in my next line, I'm going to do 6-2. Yeah. Do it again. I'm going to do 3 and a 4, and I think I'm just going to do 3 and a 4 in that way, yeah? And lastly, I will have 5 and a 1. I want to play the low 5, otherwise my hands will clash. It's not great, isn't it? So I play this 5. Now we can play the whole piece. Thank you very much for watching.